Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly restart Discord on your PC. Restarting Discord can fix problems like lag, no sound, black screen, or messages not loading. First, if Discord is open, click the X button at the top right corner to close it. Make sure it is fully closed and not just minimized to the tray. Next, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the list of processes, find Discord. Sometimes it keeps running in the background. Now, click on Discord and select End Task. This completely shuts down Discord from your computer, including background processes. After closing it fully, reopen Discord from your desktop icon, Start menu, or search bar. Wait a few seconds while it reconnects and reloads your chats. If Discord still doesn't work correctly, you can restart your PC and then open Discord again for a full refresh. That's it. You have successfully restarted Discord, and this simple restart fixes many common issues. Thanks for watching PC Error Detective. See you in the next video.